Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add your name to your phone screen on your iPhone. So I'm just going to drag this down and I'm going to go to the focus mode here and I'm going to select new focus. Then I'm going to select custom here and I'm going to add a name. I'm just going to add Taylor Swift because I like her. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find an icon that I want placed next to the name. I'm going to select this guitar one. Press next. I'm just going to close that. And I'm just going to scroll here, go to focus. Oh wait, where did it go? Hold on, I think I didn't save this. Let's go and do that again. Hello? Can I type please? There we go. Select customize focus and I'm just going to leave it as is. Then I'm going to scroll down, go to focus, and I'm going to select Taylor Swift on so that when I lock my screen, my name will be on the lock screen. I can't show you because the screen recording will go off, but trust me, it does work. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!